Hello! Do you want to see how I made this poster? Keep on watching! I had some old children's book that we never read, and instead of throwing it away, I decided to use it. This part was very easy. I just cut out some pieces, I arranged them on this sheet of paper, and I glued them on. Initially, I planned to do this part with markers. I wanted to write down a quote, but I decided to use my cutting machine. I haven't used it in ages, so this was a good opportunity to actually use it and cut out this quote. I'm a neon color girl, and I was so glad to see that I actually had this neon pink foil, so I used it. I was a bit worried first that the transfer foil will not come off the book pages, but it worked fine. And here is the final result. Thanks for watching!